Alright people, welcome back to another video. As you can see, I'm in the engine bay of my Nissan 350Z, but in the title of this video, we are going to supercharge it. I finally found a Vortech Supercharger kit. Part of it, there are some pieces missing from the kit, but you know, nothing that our shop can't actually do. At the moment, we took some of the things off. The bumpers right there, the crash bar we took off, and yeah, I'm going to show you what has arrived in this kit. But as they always say, it's not as easy as just fitting and installing the kit. There's a lot of work that has to be done, so let's do this. Okay, I know it looks a little bit untidy at the moment, but we just literally stripped off what we can in like an hour. Took off the bumper, we took off this crash bar originally just to see what space we're working with. Obviously this is the Vortech Supercharger over here, which you can see. This is the plate. Now this plate is very, very important. We managed to put this in at the moment. It's not on, it's just mounted, but there's so much that we have to move. Aircon pipes, original harness wiring, intake pipes over here, and then of course, look how small this is. You got to run a boost pipe right down to the bottom, and yeah, there's boost pipes over there that came with the kit.
Now I wish everything is that simple and everything is plug and play, but you know, it just doesn't work that way with modified cars. That was the original boost pipes that came with the kit. However, it was makeshift, done by someone else, and it never quite fitted my car. So that left us to refabricate all the boost pipes. Not an easy task.
And the intercooler and all the rest of the other pipes and blow valves or dump valves. So yeah, not everything is all from the Vortech charger, like I said, but nothing that our shop can't do. So we're going to get cracking at it and see how we can convert this naturally aspirated, which is a nice engine. I love it. It's very cool. Problem is, we must have garage. We always have to boost it. Are you actually regretting saying we should have bought this?
Yes. It's a shit job.
It's not as easy, eh?
You know, there's no space for anything.
No space, as you said, for anything. Literally nothing.
But now we're gonna make space.
What?
No.
So you can go in there.
The one boost can go that way.
It just comes to here and it'll
Pin.
into the radiator.
Into the cooler.
I mean, into the cooler.
Bye bye, cover. Let's cut the cooler.
Oh, this is the intercooler. It's a big one, but what we're going to do is we're going to cut it here, right? But there's reason for that. We only need this amount, and then the next part is going to go onto a different car.
Yeah, what do you see?
No, that's
I
fine.
don't think it's in the touch.
And then this, so then we just face this inwards like that, or what? Like that?
Yeah, like that, and then the pipe will come up and in there.
If the closer you are to the air filter, the louder it's going to
Oh,
be.
the louder.
But that's okay. He likes loud.
I like loud.
He likes the whole time. Watch out. See? Yeah, that'll work. Vroom vroom.
Vroom vroom. Yeah, and they said it's just a bolt-on. Never believe anybody that says it's just a bolt-on. I'll be the first one to say, this is a bit of a situation. Check it, this.
Yeah, no, that's amazing.
All welded.
Yemen reckons it's the most difficult to date.
The most difficult, eh?
Just very tight.
Yeah, but what did they first say? Oh, it's just a kit, you know?
It's actually a radiator. It's
Just bolt on.
because you've got the thicker radiator.
It's just the space here is very small.
Yeah. Since we have this Mishimoto.
And you've got headers on, which the other cars don't have. They've got manifolds. So that's because I was wondering why the bottom boost pipe doesn't come through so easy.
So the headers
it's,
also a
the
bit of a
headers are
problem.
making it tight through the top. But anyway, we'll get there.
Jeebus, I cannot. Well, we'll let Naeem explain this, but this has been a bit of a process. I mean, come on, this looks incredible. That's so wild. This is my first reaction to seeing this because obviously you're watching them do their thing, and this has been a long. When I say it should be a long process, but they've done it in like the time that they have, because obviously you still have to do customer cars. But this has been back and forth, go do some customer cars and come back and, you know, trying to get this to work. So I'm going to get Naeem to explain everything that he has done here. But truly, guys, you have no idea how big of a job this was. Yes, it's supposed to be a Vortech kit that you can put on. However, like I said, I have the manifold, I have a Mishimoto, bigger radiator, and all of that has been a problem because we don't have space, including I still want the aircon. I mean, come on, I've just been in incredible hands. I'm biased, but quite frankly, it's the honest, like, these are the guys, they are the best, man. To work on these cars, they are truly the best. Is that a face of a guy that was scared of welding all those freaking intricate little pipes? Yo, man, it looks incredible, eh? I had to get your first reaction
What?
on that freaking pipes. That's fucking beautiful.
Yeah, I told you it was. It looks apart now.
It looks freaking incredible, like a
bigger.
piece of art.
Looks better than other fucking performance pipes.
Oh yeah, the ones that we got.
Yo.
No,
it
listen.
looks a lot better.
I'm sorry, that is... If we had to not put it on the car, it's a piece of art. I'm not gonna lie.
They're pretty. They're very pretty.
They're very pretty. Alright, it's the next day. As you can see, I don't know how far we're gonna get here, but this car's supposed to be running in a few days. Not actually running, it's supposed to be on a track day in a few days. But right now, it's supposed to be running in a couple of hours. Chris at the moment is busy with a ejector driver.
Wires.
Just doing wires. So he's installing an ejector driver so we can obviously manage that. And then of course they have to bump up the fuel. That's all conversations for Naeem and Omen. But yeah, we're getting there, and it's a little tedious work, but I got faith in you, Iggy. Definitely got faith in you, bro.
I have faith in myself.
So that's gonna go on there. It's gonna come over here. This one's gonna get cut off there.
You reckon you just cut a 1,000 rand pipe?
Just cut it. If it doesn't work, Chocky Chocks can buy another one. Oh, there goes the pipe.
See you later.
See you later. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go like so.
Not so easy.
There you go. And all we need is a pipe in between. So to make this look a little bit straighter, because we don't want to be accused for working badly, poorly in Chocky Chocks' car. Get in trouble.
Now you're taking a pipe that we're not quite sure what this is.
Stainless. I think it's from Krimmel. I think it's a spare
really?
part from Krimmel's engine. There's Krimmel's engines in there.
You do know that's a VW part, right?
Yeah, that's why it's getting on this part. We can put it on there. We just use this bend and put that pipe. We shouldn't use the whole pipe. Then we can put water into your intake. We can have water injection.
That's it. VW water injection.
That's it. We need to put a little ridge on these pipes so it doesn't slide off. There you go.
That works.
Yeah. Now we just need to weld a little rib on the inside so we can put a little bracket up that holds it.
Oh, that looks nice.
Lovely, lovely.
Here you go. Wow, check at that. HKS FL2. Iggy's managed to find a nice little small one, so it actually fits perfectly there. Sheesh. And we're getting there closer and closer. Okay, well, we're not quite sure what the time is yet. Obviously, the other guys had to go because they're going to get into trouble. Otherwise, Naeem, I think I need to... Yeah. But anyway, he's pushing very hard. And now, he's trying to obviously put the belt on. But I mean, we're pretty much close. Maybe if we started tonight, we don't know. But definitely tomorrow, but I think we're going to start it tonight. Alright, so, first start up.
everything out of the way here.
I don't know. Naeem, mustn't you be listening? First time. First time. Gee, that's crazy. Gee. First time, Naeem. That's good. I think I must make the exhaust pipe softer.
That noise, man. It's gonna freaking make you mad.
For the supercharger.
That is wild.
Right, you done?
That is freaking wild. Alright, bro, we have the first pull out of this car. First time out. We're just going to be putting on the dyno. Not quite sure what they're going to be doing yet, but it's sounding good so far. This man has really pulled this off properly. Alright, so we've got a bunch of people here. It all came down to the wire. And Herman's currently in the car to not tune it, just do a little testing. And yeah, we'll see. Probably do one run just to check.
Okay, so we're almost out of injector. One more run to there,
Yeah.
and then we can only go to 5,000, then we're out of fuel. So we'll do one more run to there, and then I went a bit further now, so I just want to get a power figure to 5,000. But all we need is, we just need more fuel pressure, a bit more injector, we should be there.
Oh wow.
So you're making a little bit more, loads more, and then that's just going to keep going. So that will go to probably 260, 270 at this boost. But it's running. You can see it's turning it because it's out of fuel.
It's out of fuel.
We actually, that last little bit it's actually just squeaking lean before I take my foot off.
Okay, I see.
That's why we put some octane booster in, just so we could get a run and see where we run out of fuel. We just wanted to get the the oscilloscope to flatline, then we know the injectors are at 100%.
So it's
That's all the fuel we got. So now we need either lots more fuel pressure or bigger injectors. So we'll decide how we do that tomorrow.
just connect everything quickly, Krishman. We're gonna read the scene now. Down the road. Let's fuel pressure. Pump on. Seat in. Gooi.
As he said, if the fuel pressure is right, bumper on, everything on, tie it up, and we're gonna go test it. I think the first thing Naeem told me is that all he has to do is just do one donut with me. That's all he wants to do, and like he says, I'll be sold. So I don't know.
I need to see what the closed loop is doing. Just get a scan tool that I can see with a shorter fuel trim.
Right, first time in the car. Yeah, it's loud, the exhaust though. You can feel the torque. You can already feel the torque, which is crazy. Dude, there's way more torque. That's fourth gear. Yeah, actually, yeah, you're right. It really does sound crazy.